Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think this is all trash now. I just sent my assistant in to scope out a dumpster. She's smiling. I know there's nothing there. Open dog food. I don't think there'll be anything in here. Look at this stuff here. Paper towels. I got one of those. Let me look down the other side. Don't know. I'm not going to take it though. I don't know. Fine. This dog food?
I don't know.
Dog food. You find a box. Dog food. More cat food, okay with what you eat? Ozone spray.
There's more in there, huh?
Huh?
There's more older we did.
Where?
Set of blocks. I don't know.
Yeah. Dewormer. I don't need dewormer pills.
All right. Careful.
think I can find a car. We'll take it. It's got a broken vase, but that's okay. That's better than nothing. More horse food.
Still the same.
I don't know.
It's empty.
Yeah.
Empty.
Yeah. I can't do nothing without horse feed. Bunch of magazines. Let's see how much that horse feed is. These are some notebooks.
You did that to the boys.
Yeah, remember when?
The small notebooks, they're gonna like that.
Yeah. Yeah, let me get in here, toss around. Little planner. AirPods. Oh my gosh.
Give it to me.
I don't think these are any good. But I am going to take it and try them out. Got a candle. Can you take this? Can't get out. And Hot Wheels. Got tape. Christmas bags. The tape. Baggies.
Oh, go get that.
Break.
Huh?
Huh? I don't know what that is. Sorry. That's broke. Got some bagels. Moldy. Oh, Halloween socks. Let's cheese. That's empty. Screen protector, some baggies. That might be about it. Let me get those trash bags. Those are smelling things you put in the column. Huh? Oh, it's empty. I think someone already tore into this.
Yeah, looks like it. There's a lot of bags.
Yeah. What they haven't even been going very long.
It smells so good.
Oh, candy. Another one. Better than nothing, I guess. Let's see if they got gift cards sometimes or some on it. So let's see. Got a broken frame, broom. It's not bad. I'm gonna take that broom. Hello everyone. Back from dumpster diving. Last couple of days has been really bad out. Snow and sleeting rain, but we tried our best to see what we could find, and here's our small little hauler. Start off, we found a plant with a planter. The pot is broke, which I have extra pots out in the garage. I can throw that in there. This brand new's got a price tag of $25. Found brand new little paint brushes, little foam ones. I mean, probably something good for the boys to use. I found 3 brand new notebooks. The boys will have fun writing, making some notes there. I got a candle. It is vanilla, smells good. So I'll make use of that. Got 2 brand new Christmas bags. Believe in the magic, everyone. And got a brand new pair of Halloween socks. I think one of my daughters will like this. Got a brand new roll of Scotch tape, just in time for Jim's birthday. I got some candy. These were broken, but I filled it up some. There's a whole bunch of nerds in there. This is a hard candy. Got 2 brand new boxes of storage zip bags or Ziploc bags. I'll use them. Got a roll of trash bags for the bathroom. Actually, I got some like this in the bathroom, but they're like a cream color. So now we got purple walls too. I got 2 tempered glass protectors for a, you can see one of them right there. I don't know how it got on the outside, but they threw them both away. It fits iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. So I have to donate these because we got a little bit better from them, I guess. I found 3 of these, I don't know, these are wallflowers or something. They smell pretty good. This one's been used. Doesn't have as much in it, but it still smells pretty darn good. So I got 3 of those. I actually have bought some of these for the boys with their Hot Wheel tracks. You pull this back. Well, you can't do it because of this. and you launch the Hot Wheel. So I'll keep these. Got a little personal massager. Got to put a battery in it. But I haven't put a battery in it yet. Got a car charger. I'll keep this because one of my old trucks, I need one of these to charge my phone. I don't think these have been activated, but I am going to try some of them. These are PlayStation cards. They're 12-month activations. Some of them are 3 months. They're worth $60 a piece, but they probably haven't been activated. But I'm hoping they've been activated, then I could sell them. But hey, it's worth a shot. And we hit the jackpot. 2 Apple AirPods. But it turned out to be empty. I thought we hit the jackpot here. I was really excited, but we didn't. I got a brand new, it's wet from the outside. It's a mover's dolly. We used these when I was at the hospital all the time. We put stuff on it and you move it all over the place. So I'm going to use this in the garage. It was broke, but I'm just going to replace this board and it's as good as new. So I'm really excited about that one. And let me get my broom I found. I need a new push broom for the garage. It is used, which I don't care. But all you gotta do is thread the 2 in there together, and I got a brand new, well, used push broom. So I will use this in the garage. I got a bag of Royal Canin, I guess, cat food. Guess if you had a urinary problem, this would be good for a cat. I looked it up, it's about $24, $25 a bag. I got Whole Earth bag of dog food. This is 37 pounds. They sell a 25-pound bag for like $40 or $50. So this is, I don't know, $60 or so.
Chicken and rice.
I know, chicken and rice, so that's perfect for Loki because he's part Philippine. And a bag of Purina 1 Plus. This is 31 pounds. And I don't know, it's probably $30 or $40 a bag. I don't know how much it is. I didn't look it up, but I think we got about 100 pounds of dog food for Loki right now. I got 2 big bags out in the garage. So, look, found a bottle of Dog MX liquid bandage. It's good for all breeds. I guess if they get cut or something, you could spray it on and bandage them. This might work for me. I'm not a dog, but if it's a liquid bandage. Well, everyone, this is what we found during our little snowstorm and freezing rainstorm last couple of days. So it's not the greatest find, but it is some useful stuff. Some stuff is going to be donated, and some stuff we're going to keep. So I appreciate everybody watching my videos, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much.